Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. In this video, we are going to talk about step 1 in the 7-step process you need for your business to create a community of zealots for your brand. Step 1 is the creation story. This all comes from Patrick Hanlon's book, Primal Branding. Patrick Hanlon created Primal Branding, which shows the 7 primal codes that your business needs to activate if you want that community to be drawn to you, if you want zealots, fans, and followers to be attached to your brand and always waiting for the next big thing that your company produces. The creation story is where it all begins. In essence, creating that community, you're creating a belief system for your followers, fans, clients, for your zealots, the members of your tribe. Belief stories begin with a creation story. Now, it could be a creation story that's factual, what actually happened, like Apple, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak putting together computers by hand in a garage, or Jeff Bezos starting his company, Amazon, in his garage with a cardboard sign on the wall that says Amazon.com. Or it could be something that's more a fantasy, more a storybook type of fairy tale beginning. You make up a creation story that's not factual, but something that people can rally behind, something they identify with and enjoy. Just like different musicians, Pink Floyd is an excellent example with their concept albums, their creation story of how this album came to be. It's not factual how the album came to be, but the story behind it is something that people identify with and are drawn to. Remember that you're creating a belief system and a community, and the creation story is the foundation that begins all of it. So put that creation story out there. Put it on your website, on your social media, on your YouTube channel. Let your fans, followers, clients, and customers be a part of that story, to see that story, hear it, read it, and enjoy where your company began and what your company's all about. From the creation story, next we come to what your company represents, which is the creed. If you want to learn more about the creed, go ahead and click here, and we'll get that video going for you right away. You can start learning about step 2 right now. Please like and subscribe with notifications, because each and every day we've got a new video out for you guys with great content and value to help you create zealots for your brand and build your business. You're superheroes. Let's get to it.